Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on system navigation. And as you can see, we've got only two different options, and basically in order to set the gestures we have to tap on this option. But before, a quick disclaimer: if you'll decide that you want to stick with the 3-button navigation, you can customize it here. So after tapping on more settings, you can reorder the buttons, so the back button and the recents, and you can decide whether you want to use the voice assistant. Alright, so in order to set the gestures, let's tap on this option. And as you can see, almost immediately the 3 buttons will disappear. Of course, if you want to, we can go through the gesture tutorial. I will not do it because I already know how to use them. What is more, here we've got the animation of how to use particular gestures. We can also customize this option, just tap on more settings, and basically you can decide whether you want the back sensitivity to be low or high. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you want your device to be more sensitive to your back gestures. Here you can also customize the voice assistant. Alright, so a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. In order to get back to the previous page, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of our device, from the left or the right side. It does not really matter, it works the same. As you can see, after swiping, we will see this arrow. And basically, you'll have to release the finger fast enough, just like that. And as you can see, we just got back to the previous page, and the same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. It should be a quick and short motion, almost like that, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, the same situation, so from the bottom to the center, but this time do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.